doing out here?
We are partying. See that, people? Hey everyone, guess what? We're heading to Phoenix and we're going to Supercross. Let's go. So every time we're heading east, we're heading towards Phoenix, we like to stop here in Indio at a sandwich shop called TKB. Phenomenal place to get lunch. If you're in this area, you got to come check it out. Look at that. Just have a look. Look at my hand. Check that out. We're here in Glendale, Arizona for Supercross, Team Scummy. As you can see, we've got our Green Mountain grills. We got the new model set up. We're gonna be doing some cooking today. We're cooking for like our sponsors, Rockwell, Gate King. We got Jordan down on there with Triple Moto X. And we're gonna be feeding our two riders. We got a little snack for these guys. Check this snack out. So feast your eyes on this nice little tomahawk ribeye. I love a good ribeye. One of my favorite go-tos, the ranch style steak rub. I love this. Just look at all that savory goodness right there, man. So we're gonna put a little bit of smoke on it at first and we're gonna sear it later. So have a look at this, guys. You know what we have here is pork belly. We're cutting it into little strips. This is gonna be our dinner tonight, and it's gonna be pork belly tacos and Mexican street corn. It's gonna be phenomenal. I'm gonna get a sample, guys. There you go. There you go. You guys want samples? Hey, so guys, this is the Motocross Museum. That not only do they have old dirt bikes and cool stuff like that, but they also have my bread and butter, which what I grew up on was the freestyle BMX, and they got vintage BMX bikes, and we're gonna go over here and have a look. It's pretty cool. I mean, it's right up my alley. So. Oh, wow. Hey, so I used to have this dirt bike. Come here. I had the two-stroke 450 Mako, and mine was like this, red and gold. Had gold rims, all red and yellow. This was one of the dirt bikes I actually owned back in the day. Wish I would have never sold it. Check this out. That's an old Voltaco. I wanted to see if they had the old CZs. There's one right there. These are old Czechoslovakian bikes. Look at this. This is awesome. This is motocross history right here. It's pretty cool.
Just make the whole band run.
Yeah, we got Colin over our shoulder right here, drooling over his snack.
We're just here for Green Mountain Grills, that's it. Like riders or whatever, but
We want that. What we got right here is we got the next super punk rock star. This is Caleb. He rocks this place every event.
Trying to get a toy, I prove that think I'm live. Work like hell, I talk about 4 for 25 an hour. No, get scared of it. Then you freaking die. You see that by the ball, squeeze it, though it's on the seas. And I would dance like soldiers on the battlefield. Only try and get a moment of glory. To the planet, we trip and mount high on. Nothing freaking matters. The ones who use it try and I would dance like warriors on the freaking trail. Only try and get a moment of glory. Crack your head open and sue somebody. Come on and do, kids are just like Jack Palance. And now we dance.
It's about that time. I got Colin here. He's gonna sample our chimichurri butter tomahawk ribeye.
Grab a hold. This is the only reason I do this team, because the Green Mountain Girls and what you guys bring to it. Like, it's magic. See that, people? Look at that dripping. There we go. Look at that. Keith, you guys are something special here. Nothing but the best here. Oh! I don't have the vocabulary to explain how good this is. The green sauce is such a cut. Where's that again? It is the chimichurri butter. Can I get a little piece for my fiance over there? Oh. Wow, thank you, Green Mountain Girls. Wow. You guys, you do your magic behind these girls, and this is the best piece of meat I've ever had in my life. Thank you guys. Yeah, you can't grab the thing. Oh. My, so, look at that juice, man. Oh my God. How was it? All right, so this is what we got, right? We've got our pork belly taco with our microgreens. We have chicharron dust and some pickled red onions on the top. You guys like the mats? You guys like the mats? Yeah.
It's all the little details. The cheese, the greens, sauce is amazing. I'm not a big onion fan, but these pickled onions are amazing.
What are we doing out here?
We are partying. So I hope you enjoyed this episode of us on our adventure out to Arizona. Supercross was a blast. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. We're going to a bunch of different barbecue restaurants. Hit us up. Let us know where you want us to go next. Remember, life is an adventure. See you on the back end.